Well, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. We are out today because we are going to meet a friend driving the BMW M4 and a BMW M5. How cool is that for a weekend? We are going to be meeting them and we are going to head over to Carros Centre where the Nitro meet is happening today from 1 to 6 p.m. I hope some of you guys actually managed to make it by the time you guys actually are watching this video. Destination is to Sin Ming, where we will be meeting up with the M5 guy, and we will be heading over to Carros Centre immediately after that. Before we actually do that, let me just head over to my apartment car park. A couple of goodies over here, so I hope they're around. So I'm gonna show you around the car park. This is just one way to prep ourselves up for the Nitro meet in a bit. This is a first gen Aston Martin V8 What's cool about this is that not only is this in a freaking sick color, but if you look inside, it's a manual gearbox inside there, guys. Check it out. Hello. So basically I've reached the place and this is the car that we will be going into. Hey! That's the famous guy right here! And we are joined by BAM! M5. Let's go! Just arrived at Turf City. Now this is where Nitro had their event previously. It's a hot, sunny day. My god, the sun is so sweltering. But yeah, this is where Nitro had their event previously. We are joined here by an M3, not sure if you can see that, M3, M5, M4 Performance that we were in just now, and another M3 Cabrio at the back. We are waiting for a couple of more cars before we actually make our way down to Carros Centre. So we're gonna take some quick pictures around Turf City and we will be making our way soon, so join us in a bit. So pretty much of the journey here will just be me and, well, the voiceover. If you could already tell from the previous clips earlier, the wind noise was just out of control. Because of my slightly rudimentary setup, I do not have an external mic with me, so going on recording quite literally pointless where you'll be hearing wind noise over and over again. So the rest of the journey pretty much takes us through the highway while we were trailing the beautiful GT3 RS right in front of us over there, down to BKE and eventually settling at Carros Centre where the actual Nitro meet was happening. Just got to Carros. Lovely ride in the M4 Performance, GT3 RS and a bunch of other M's in front of us. Oh! Alright, we made it, bro! Woo! And we shall check out the scene. Just came from the clan there. And now we're just gonna leave them behind and we're gonna check out the scene over here because God, it's just huge, this place.